And we are heading in to Hyperspace Mountain. We're heading in to Hyperspace Mountain. Here's the queue.
Good luck, and may the force be with you.
好，收好的侦察舰，保持安全装置紧扣，并照看好同行的小飞行员。
女石 standing by。係標注第一，男中隊4號報道，男中隊6號準備就緒。standing by。全部戰機聽指令進入超空間。全部戰機戒備。邊個反饋可服飾啊你？係陷阱，全部戰機散開。係啊，得嘅，等我嚟進攻先。
Now we're in. There we are. Here's inside the shop at the end. Very cute. Look, and it's a Stitch smart camera.
Alright everybody, so we just got off Hyperspace Mountain. And before we got on, I did some research just to see if it was any different or, you know, what the differences were. It is exactly the same track layout as California. However, having said that, I think because this is newer maybe, I don't know. But that thing is smooth as silk. Like, normally when I get on Space Mountain, it's just for nostalgia purposes. I don't actually care for the ride.
They're not really great rides.
No, because it's real jerky and bumpy and you get beaten up, but not on that one. That one was actually so much fun.
Yeah, that one was a really fun one. We were a little worried when it said Hyperspace Mountain. We thought it was the one in Paris, because the one in Paris is terrible.
Horrible.
It has an inversion.
It's absolutely the worst.
Yeah, it's terrible.
And it's not the inversion, it's just it whips you all over the place, and it made me sick to my
Oh yeah,
stomach.
we were so sick
Oh, it
after
was
riding
gross.
that.
Like even Wes, and Wes doesn't get sick
Yeah.
ever. So when we saw that it was Hyperspace Mountain, we were like, oh no. So that's why I looked it up and did some research. But it is exactly the same as the one in California, and the Star Wars stuff in there is really cool.
It's really well done.
It goes so well with the ride, and man, I just had so much fun. Like Wes actually taped it. You can probably hear me giggle a couple of times
Yeah.
because I just really had a good time. It's the first time I think I've enjoyed Space Mountain in
Yeah.
years.
Way better than the Hyperspace Mountain in Paris.
It is better than that one, and it's just smoother than the one in Florida and the one in California.
Yep.
So if you are here, even if you like know the one in California like the back of your hand, I suggest riding this one because it is just like butter. I mean, it is so smooth.